Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like watching films?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies because they provide an escape from everyday life while also being entertaining and immersive. Films can also provide motivation, education, and entertainment.
Question number 2. How often do you watch films?
I watch movies quite frequently. I usually watch movies to unwind and escape from the stresses of everyday life. Watching movies is a great way to relax and distress. It can also be a fun way to spend time with friends and family.
Question number 3. What type of films do you like to watch?
I enjoy a wide range of films, but my favorites are comedies, action, and science fiction. Documentaries and independent films are also favorites of mine.
Question number 5. Do you prefer to watch a film alone or with others?
I usually prefer to watch a movie with others because it enhances the experience. I believe it is more enjoyable to interact with others and discuss the film with them.
Question number 5. Do you like going to the cinema?
Yes, I enjoy going to the movies. I believe there is something special about seeing a movie on the big screen and experiencing it in a more immersive setting. Furthermore, the sound and visual quality are usually far superior to watching at home.
Question number 5. How often do you go to the cinema?
It really depends, but it's usually at least once a month. I tend to go more during the summer, when there are more blockbuster releases.
Question number 7. Do you have a favorite movie star?
I do indeed. Tom Cruise is my favorite actor. He's always been an inspiration to me, and I believe he's one of the most talented actors working today.
Question number 8. Which was the first movie that you watched in a theater?
The original Jungle Book, which came out when I was 5 years old, was the first movie I ever saw in a theater. It was an incredible experience that I will never forget.
Question number 9. Which type of movies do you try to avoid?
Most of the time, I don't watch horror movies because I find them too intense and scary. I also avoid overly sentimental or romantic films because they are too corny for me.
Question number 10. Has your taste in films changed as you have got older?
Yes, absolutely. I've become more open to different types of films and genres as I've gotten older. I'm more open to trying out new movies, even ones I wouldn't have watched when I was younger. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.